Open up the piano and let's play Nothing is Impossible by Planetshakers. Through you, C, I can do anything, G. Right and G, I can do all things, A minor. Right and right, it's 'cause it's you, A minor, who gives me strength, F. Right, left, right and right, nothing is impossible. Good news! This song doesn't use any black keys, so everything will be on the white keys only. With all white keys in this song, it's super beginner friendly, so now let's check out the chords. There's a total of 5 chords for this song. The first chord, we have a C major, where we're going to put our right hand thumb on C. Now this is our middle C, finger 3 on E, finger 5 on G. As for our left hand, we're going to move down 2 octaves. This is a middle C that we are starting from our right hand. Move down the next C and one more step down to the last C. Okay, so yes, this is our C major in the root position. Next chord, we have a G major, where we're going to shift our thumb down to B, finger 2 on D, finger 5 on G. As well as for our left hand, I'm going to activate my thumb. Now this is our G major chord in the first position. Next chord, we have an A minor. I'm going to shift this whole pattern up to C, E, A. Just now it was a B, D, G. Now I'm going to shift up to C, E, and an A. Okay, as for our left hand, I'm going to stretch up to A. Now this is our A minor in the first inversion. Next chord, we have a F major. I'm going to have our C and F, finger 3 and finger 5, A. As our left hand, activate finger 2. Now this is our F major in the second inversion. And lastly, I have a D minor chord, where I'm going to shift up to a root position, thumb on D, finger 5 on F, finger 3 on F, and finger 5 on A. As for our left hand, I'm going to activate a finger 4. Now this is our D minor in the root position. Here are all the chords you need for this song. Take a moment to pause and practice switching between them until it feels smooth for your playing. If you would like to understand the formula behind major and minor chords, be sure to check out my piano chords video, link below. And if you would like a printable version of this chord sheet, I have prepared it as part of my resources for every of my tutorial on Patreon to take your learning further, so do check it out as well. Before we add any playing patterns, if you are a beginner, I recommend bringing up the chord sheet and just playing each chord once for every change while you sing along with the song. Now this will help you get used to the words and the exact spots where the chords switches. So here's a quick example of how that looks. Through you, I can do anything. G again, I can do all things. 'Cause it's you who gives me strength. Nothing is impossible. This was just a short example, but you will want to practice this for the entire song and make sure you know exactly where the chord changes happen. I've made the full chord sheet available on my Patreon for download and printing, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. So once you're comfortable with the chord changes, you know where to put your fingers, we can start adding the different patterns for this song. So for our first chorus, we're just going to hold the chord. Okay, so don't need to add any playing pattern until the next chorus that we're coming up. Okay, so for the first chorus, we're just going to hold, let's play it slowly, C chord. Through you, I can do anything. G chord. I can do all things. A minor. 2, 3, 'cause it's you who gives me. F chord. Strength, 2, 3, 4, nothing is impossible. C chord again. Through you, blind eyes are open. G chord. 2, 3, 4, strongholds are broken. A minor. 2, 3, I am living by. F chord. Faith, 2, 3, 4, nothing is impossible. Okay, so that's for our first chorus. We're just gonna hold. Okay, so let's do it smoothly. Let's do it slightly faster. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold the C. Through you, I can do anything. G. 2, 3, 4. I can do A minor. 2, 3. 'Cause it's you who give. F. 2, 3, 4. Nothing is impossible. C. Through you, blind eyes are open. G. 2, 3, 4. Strongholds are broken. A minor. 2, 3. I am living by faith. 2, 3, 4. Nothing is impossible. Let's move on to our interlude where I have a total of 3 chords. I have a F chord, I have a C, and then I have a D minor and back to F again. Okay, but this time since the drums and the rest of the instruments are coming out, so we are going to add a pattern to it. The pattern for our interlude is going to be a both, right, left, right, and right. Okay, so let's break it down. We have a both, right, left, right, and right. Okay, let's try a C chord. Both, right, left, right, and right. Let's try a D minor chord. Both, right, left, right, and right. And then we go back to our F chord pattern. Both, right, left, right, and right. Okay, so if we put it together, interlude. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Both, right, left, right, and right. C. Both, right, left, right, and right. Both, right, and right, and right. Both, right, left, right, and right. Okay, so that's for our interlude. Let's move on to our verse, where our playing pattern, we're going to keep it simple. It's going to be a both, right, right, right for a full bar. But there won't be any half bar coming up. So yeah, we're just going to complete the 4 sets, both, right, right, right for every chord that you see. Okay, so let's go for verse. We're going to do it slowly. First chord is a C chord. I'm not gonna, D minor, leave but what I, F chord, C, 2, 3, 4, F chord again. Next chord, A minor, I'm not gonna, G chord, leave by what I, F chord, feel, F chord again. And I have a A minor, D down, I, G chord. Know that you're, F chord, here with me. F chord again. A minor, I know that, G chord, you can do, F chord, anything, F chord again. Let's try verse smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go. I'm not gonna live by what I see. F again, 2, 3, A minor. I'm not gonna live by what I feel. F again, A minor. Deep down, I know that you're here with me. F again, A minor. I know that, G, you can do anything. 2, 3, 4. Okay, of course, the actual song is actually a little bit faster, so it will be great if you can speed up once you master the chord change. Okay, so let's move on to our chorus, where we're going to keep it to the same pattern as the interlude. I have a both, right, left, right, and right for a full chord. Okay, so let's do it slowly. We have a C chord, through you, C chord again, I can do anything, then G chord, both, right, left, right, and right, I, G chord, can do all things, A minor, both, right, left, right, cause it's you, A minor again, who gives me strength, F chord, right, left, right, and right now, F chord again, think it's impossible, C chord, through you, blind, C chord, eyes are open, G chord, both, right, left, right, and right, strong, G chord, holes are broken, A minor, both, right, and right, I am Lee, A minor again, living by faith, F chord, right, and right, and right now, F chord, think it's impossible, Okay, so let's put it slowly together, smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Through you, C. I can do anything, G. Right and G. I can do all things, A minor. Right and right. It's 'cause it's you, A minor, who gives me strength. F. Right, left, right and right. Nothing is impossible, C. Through you, blind, C. Eyes are open, G. 2, 3, 4. Strongholds are broken, A minor, bow. Right, left, right. I am living by faith. F. Right, left, right and right. Nothing is impossible. Okay, so let's move on to our bridge, where we have a F chord, C chord, D minor and a F. Okay, we are going to use the same pattern for our interlude and chorus pattern, which is a both right, right and right for a full bar. Okay, for our bridge, we only have a full bar chords. So let's try slowly. We have a F chord. I believe, C chord, leave, right, left and right. D minor, I believe, F chord, live in you. Let's do one more round. F chord again. I believe, C chord, live. Then we have a D minor. I believe, F chord, live in you. Okay, so if you put it smoothly together, it's going to be like this. 1, 2, F chord, go. I believe, D minor. I believe in you. One more time. I believe, D minor. I believe in you. And this marks the end of our tutorial. Great work today! Now every time you practice, you are getting better and more confident at the piano. If you would like the extra support, I prepared resources like chord sheets, diagrams on my Patreon page to guide your learning further. My next video will be a practice track for this song, so be sure to check that out and practice together with me. And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe and share so you won't miss what's coming next. Now keep learning, have fun. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next video. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.